Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the exact brush settings for the brush you'll use. Tap the brush, then hit stroke or dynamics to find streamline or stabilize. Once found, set a conservative starting value. Streamline around 1030 or stabilize at 1.3 for precise ink-like lines. You want enough smoothing to remove jitter but not so much that your lines lag. As you draw, note how the stroke follows your hand. This immediate feedback tells you whether to raise or lower the value. You now refine the settings by drawing true strokes, fast flicks, slow curves, and pressured lines. Once done with a stroke test, adjust incrementally, raise smoothing for slow, wobbly curves, lower it when your gestures need responsiveness. Make small changes and immediately redraw so you can compare. If you use Apple Pencil tilt or pressure, make sure the brush dynamics still feel natural. This iterative approach keeps you in control and prevents oversmoothing that flattens expressive line work. You finish by saving your tuned brush as a duplicate so your preferred stabilizer stays ready. Once saved, test a full sketch to confirm consistency across strokes. If you see lag or ghosting, reset the slider to about half the value you used and retest. That often fixes latency without losing smoothness. If problems persist, restart Procreate or toggle Apple Pencil settings in iPad OS. That clears input glitches and gets your stabilizer behaving predictably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.